Contemporary and stylish with views for days. Welcome inside 6007 East Hoot Owl Drive here in the Foothills neighborhood of Harris North. This home is only 2 years old and has been impeccably cared for. The sellers have added upgrades inside and out, and now it's ready for new owners. Let's take a look around. This home is all on a single level and flows effortlessly, with the rooms and spaces exactly where you want them. At the heart of it is an incredibly spacious great room anchored by a sleek fireplace and open shelving. There is just so many places to sit and relax. Combine that with the ideally located cocktail bar, and you have yourself the makings for plenty of memorable get-togethers with family and friends. Every great kitchen has two key factors. It has to function, and of course, it has to look good. This one easily checks off both of those boxes, but the highlight, in my opinion, is this island. It's huge, and I love that you can wrap chairs around two sides. Sitting in the back of the house, the main suite is both bright and sophisticated. Huge sliding doors allow the sunlight to come pouring in while also providing access to the backyard, the hot tub, and those views. Back inside, check out the ensuite. The elegant soaker tub catches your eye immediately. But don't miss the walk-in shower with dual heads or the show-stopping, built-in, custom-designed closet. I know you want to get back to that backyard and check out the views, but first, let's take a spin around the rest of this amazing single-level, split-bedroom floor plan. Winter weather isn't exactly ideal for showing off this back porch, but come the warmer months, this is the best place to hang out. You've got two can't-miss features out here. Built-in speakers, which are huge for the perfect movie night or playing your favorite music, and you've got automated sun and privacy blinds that fully enclose this space. Location, location, location is the name of the game in real estate, and this house hits the jackpot with both its neighborhood location and where it sits within the community. Large lots are hard to find in East Boise, but a flat lot that's almost a half acre, that's nearly impossible. And unlike most of the homes in Harris North, this one is out of the CID area, which means thousands in tax savings every year. Landscaping and a concrete track that circle the property make this place pop come the winter months. And just wait until you see those gorgeous sunsets. As an added perk, head out the back gate and follow the path to a park you can only reach by foot, and the popular Homestead Trail. 6007 East Hoot Owl sits in the highly sought-after East Boise foothills, where it's all about lifestyle. From your front door, you're only steps away from the hiking trails, part of the Ridge to Rivers trail system. After you take that hike, enjoy a dip in the Harris Ranch pool. The Greenbelt, which follows the Boise River, is a short walk away, as are the local restaurants in both Harris Ranch and Bound Crossing. When you're tired of those, you can head downtown. It's less than 10 minutes away. Skiing at Bogus Basin is only 45 minutes up the hill, and East Boise is also home to some of the most highly rated schools in the valley. So there you have it, a stunning home, top-notch location, and amazing views. Thanks for checking out 6007 East Hoot Owl Drive. More information is coming up next.